that steaming cup?
You said you was.
You forgot about this thing right here.
I did, but
You did. You're gonna end up. Look who is outside trying to cook his food. I was trying to let him see what you were doing in the kitchen.
Guys,
Huh?
I'm making my own room.
Aaliyah cleaned up the whole house. Look at Jaden over there making a big old mess. Aaliyah, is he making a mess over there or is he dancing? Anyways, back to my baby over here. He is cooking. Oh wait.
Let's see what he did.
You guys see, we got one pot here. We got another pot over here. Then we got the steak. He got the steak. He marinated it and everything. You guys see the color in that meat? Look at that. And then he got the spinach.
She took a spinach, baby, and
The
ate it.
spinach.
She took a spinach.
Where? Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Ah! Aaliyah, you like spinach? Is spinach healthy?
Yeah.
Is this healthy?
Nope.
No.
No! He guilty. Give him a spinach. Let me see if he eat it.
But not too much of it.
No! Jaden, eat it. It's healthy. Stop eating those chips. He still puts his hand in the chips. Ah, and he did it with a smile, babe. Aaliyah, put a spinach in his mouth. Put a spinach. Try it. Jaden, try it.
Buddy, try the spinach.
Try it. Jaden, try it. He's laughing like it's funny or something, like we're not being serious, huh, Aaliyah? You eat that spinach, girl. You a good girl, huh?
Jaden, look at this boy.
What's he doing? Jaden,
Are you serious?
his pants is too big.
Are you serious, bro?
Buddy.
Bruh.
Okay, you ready for
Hey,
that?
bro, what you doing, bro? Buddy, get that off the trash, Jaden. Eat it over there, buddy.
Don't put on the trash. This is considered unsanitized,
She told
baby.
me to go. She said go.
Okay, go.
Listen to this, Dee.
Listen to the steamer. Yummy.
You hear that?
Ah, I know. That's about to be some good steak right there, babe. That's a big old steak.
Wait,
What kind of
buddy.
steak is it?
Ribeye.
Ribeye steak. Ribeye.
So we're gonna let that just marinate for a second,
Let
y'all.
it marinate.
You know what I'm saying? We didn't even welcome them to the vlog, y'all. What's going on, family? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It's S.L.A.J family, your favorite YouTube family. Back at y'all with another banger. We in the kitchen today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is making a steak, you dig, and just like that.
Anyways, he's about to let this cook for how long, babe?
Oh, hold on.
How long are you about to let this cook?
Hold on. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and join the family. Y'all can like, comment, and share the videos. And of course, don't forget to tap the bell so you get to your posts. Notifications on. What that means is we'll be notified whenever we upload any new videos. You see what it's cooking right now? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna just I like my steaks well done.
Well
because
done.
I don't want to see no blood in my steaks at all.
All
So
right.
we're gonna just let that marinate.
Okay.
And then we're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes on that side. Then we're gonna flip it over one time. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna flip it back over. Let it cook. And then we're gonna flip it every minute or so just to get it cooking evenly all the way through that thing.
All right.
I thought you were supposed to be making the spinach, babe.
Babe, I'm not about to make the spinach. You're still having this cooked. You still didn't say how many minutes.
Have to wait anyway. You said you were gonna be cooking the spinach, so let me just start the spinach.
Okay, that's olive oil in there.
She over here.
Babe, you know, oh my God, what are you guys doing? You're supposed to be eating that spinach, not playing with the spinach,
Play with
boy.
the spinach.
Huh? You're not supposed to be playing with it.
Why are you playing with this spinach? What's that in your mouth, Didi?
Spinach! Say spinach! Aaliyah, let them see your hair and how banging it is. Wow!
From the bang,
She got the curls and everything!
What you doing, Aaliyah?
Everybody can be right there.
Okay, it can sit right there, okay?
Her legs all messed up, Didi. You ain't gonna sit her right, babe? Let me fix her up, Didi. Look, Didi. Alright, she's
There you go. That's what you're supposed to do,
At least get her
Aaliyah.
comfortable, Didi. And oh,
Babe,
sorry.
babe, listen, babe,
You know what I'm
listen.
saying? And then she just let her just chill right there. You feel me? See, Didi, she's comfortable now.
She's comfortable now, baby. You see that? That's how you're supposed to do it, okay? Okay?
Yeah, throw the spinach away, buddy. You're wasting spinach. That's about
Buddy!
it's about a penny worth of spinach right there, buddy.
He's
Stop
guilty.
throwing it away.
He got the guilty face. Let me see that guilty face. Huh? What's that guilty face all about, huh?
Didi, stop
Tell me what
messing
that
with
guilty
spinach.
face is all about. What's up, what's up, what's up? She wants to say what's up with her mommy.
What's up?
What's up? Didi, you gotta do it like that. Didi, say what's up?
What's up?
Daddy got you a necklace.
Oh yes, my baby got me this necklace. She mentioned it.
It's for your birthday.
I know. He surprised me and everything. Let me show him what Daddy got Mommy.
Let me open it. Let me open it.
Okay, be careful, okay? Don't break it, okay? No. Okay? Wow! Okay, let's show it like this. This is what it looks like. My baby got me this necklace.
Daddy.
From Kate, right in there.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
Mommy.
too shiny.
Mommy. Okay.
Okay, what? Okay. Oh, he's flipping it. Watch out for that splash.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Look at the
And
color on
that's
this
the
thing,
other
though.
side of the
Look at the
steak.
color. Y'all know that looking bomb. I know you guys are hungry right now. Don't trip though. Y'all gonna go make a steak right after y'all see this video. I know you are hungry. I know y'all. It's alright though, y'all. I know it looks that bomb.
Boy!
Hey,
You don't mess with my stuff, boy!
Hey.
Don't mess
You
with
don't be
my stuff,
messing with
boy!
stuff. Oh, you don't
Boy!
mess with stuff.
My necklace!
Oh,
Babe, the necklace
Lord.
fell out, babe!
And he
Look
got
at the
the- Jada,
necklace!
bring
Look
the
at
bag
bag
over here,
over
buddy.
there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God! Help mommy with the necklace! Watch out! Give mommy the. Oh! He got the guilty face.
Babe, this is your
You got the
paper.
guilty face?
This is your
Huh?
authenticity. This is the paper that it.
Hey! Babe! No! She ripped the bag. No, she didn't. It's still okay.
Now, this is your certificate of
Wait, we're not
authenticity.
supposed to show them any
Oh, we can't
information.
show them the information.
But look at my necklace is messed up. Hey, don't mess up my necklace, girl. Let's put this back together. Put it back together. Aaliyah, no. Okay, you can have this. You can have that, okay?
So, see, and you got free cleaning too, babe.
Huh?
And then you got anything happens to it, I purchased the insurance. So you're supposed to go get back every 6 months. So you gotta go back and stay circulating for you. So in every June and December, you gotta go. You're supposed to go
That's
get it
nice.
cleaned.
Usually they charge you for cleaning.
Wait, nah, but it's the insurance. Here, put this in
Oh,
the
you got
bag.
insurance. Hey, give me my box. I'm still trying to put this away and they won't give it to me. No! I'll close it. No, I'll close it. Mommy will close it. Okay, let's put it back up. Because they're going crazy right now. Put it back up because they're going crazy right now. They're going crazy over my necklace. Hey, don't fake cry. This is mommy's necklace, okay? You're not supposed to mess with it. What happened? Who hurt you? Don't scratch it so hard. Jaden, don't be mean to Aaliyah, okay? Don't be mean to Aaliyah, okay? Okay? Huh? What's wrong with you, Bobo? What's wrong with you? He always be acting like this now, huh? You always be acting like this when you're upset, huh? Huh? You got throwing little tantrum and stuff? Huh? Hey, what are you doing?
We need some more water.
Okay, Aaliyah, look, listen to mommy! She don't want to listen to me, but there's some water in there, you guys. So anyways, I'm hungry myself. I might have a little piece of steak here.
I just asked you if you was hungry. I could have got more than one
Look,
steak.
the steam is going like crazy. You guys see that steam coming up? You guys see that steaming cup?
You said you was.
You forgot about this thing right here.
I did, but
You
said-
did. You're gonna end up.
It's because of the water.
Babe!
It's not water. It's because of water.
Hurry up and throw it all in there. Hurry up and throw it all in there. Hurry up! Oh my gosh! Stay away, you guys. It's so dangerous. Daddy's dangerous right now.
You hear that?
You guys, listen. Don't do this at home. Kids, do not do this at home. You're making a big mess over here.
Not even a mess, babe.
Oh my gosh.
It was because the pan was hot and then the water dripped on it.
Oh my god. I think it splashed everywhere
just
on
water.
the floor.
Water.
You got it all over the place. Now see, he makes a mess, I clean up. That's how it is.
Water.
It's water, but this is grease, you guys. This is, can you guys see it? This is grease, okay? I have to clean this mess up later. Oh, pick up your car. Pick it up. Oh, that's water down there. Pick up your car and pick it over there, Jaden. Take it over there right now. Hey, ew, that's dirty. Come over here, buddy. Come over here. Don't play with your water. If you spill it, you're in big trouble. You hear me, girl? You hear me? Don't make a big mess, okay?
Hey, we have lemon.
Lemon, yes we do. We have a whole tree of lemon. You didn't know that? You didn't know that mommy and daddy
Look
grows?
how much it shrivels up.
I know, that's it. You're done. Turn it off. You're done.
It's not done.
Babe, it's done. Put the seasonings in already. He forgot about the seasonings.
You gonna do all I want is simple seasoning.
Okay.
All I want.
Okay. All you want
A
is
little bit of salt and pepper.
okay,
And then put some, maybe some garlic.
garlic. You haven't even cut up the garlic.
No, I mean
about garlic powder?
Garlic powder. Sprinkle it, man.
Okay, so that's what he's having. He's having steak and spinach. That's what he's having. You guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the food? The delicious food, everybody. Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready? Bam! That's his food. He made it himself, you guys. He is a profession at steak making.
I want some of Daddy.
You want some of Daddy's? Yeah? Do you like Daddy's cooking? Does he cook good?
Yeah.
And what else does he do that's good?
He do smoke.
A lot of smoke? Babe, she said you put a lot of smoke. I'm surprised this thing doesn't come off. This right here. I'm surprised that didn't come off, huh, Leah? That's the alarm. That's the fire, smoke alarm, baby. Oh, don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Look at this mess, okay? This is the mess the mommy needs to clean up right now.
Daddy needs to clean
No, Daddy don't have to clean it up. Mommy will clean it up because Daddy cooked. He made all this mess right here. Now I have to clean it up.
Hey, wait, Aaliyah, Daddy gave it to you.
Yummy! She wants some. This is steak for Daddy. If you guys are thinking, where are the kids' food? I already made food for the kids to eat. So now it's Stefan's turn. Aaliyah, pick up your spinach right there, baby. You have a little piece of spinach. Ah, you're gonna dirty yourself. Pick it up.
Put it back in my plate. Didi, why would you do that?
What did she do?
She spit it up in my
Aaliyah,
plate.
don't play with Daddy's food, baby. That's not nice.
Jaden, get on, buddy.
Get down, baby.
Get down like that.
Aaliyah, you're gonna fall off the chair.
Jaden, wait, get on. Come
So
on.
this is how it is when Daddy's trying to eat his food. All the kids come
Aaliyah,
up.
stop doing that.
All the kids come up and they just want
What do
to
you want?
just
Some
eat
of what?
his food.
Some of what, Aaliyah?
I want some.
What do you want, Aaliyah?
I want some.
Steak. Say steak.
I want some.
She spit out the spinach, babe?
Yeah.
Maybe she likes raw spinach. She don't like cooked spinach because it has that funny texture to it. Is it good, babe?
I haven't been able to try it yet.
Oh, is it good?
I don't know how to
Is it cooked?
open it.
Is it red? Is it still red or no? No, it's well done.
It's
See, I told you guys, he's
Yeah.
good.
Here.
Try it. Is it hot?
Here, right there. Here.
No,
get this
babe,
piece.
give him the fork, babe.
up that piece.
Give her the fork.
Pick up this piece.
Pick
right
it up, Aaliyah. Daddy cut it up for you already. Try it. Push.
Aaliyah, don't-
Press down on it. Press down hard. Press down hard. There you go.
I don't like it.
it's okay. Just put it in your mouth. That's healthy for you. Try it.
Oh
Oh.
my god.
Okay, fine. Don't, Aliyah. You don't say gross to your daddy's food, okay?
I don't
Okay?
like-
Okay, then just get the meat. Here, just get the meat.
Leah.
Get the meat here. That's the hard part, baby. It's gonna be. It takes longer for her to chew. Give her just the meat. Just give her the meat.
Me.
Hmm?
Only the meat.
Babe, you forgot about Jaden over there. He's
No,
over
he
there.
has some.
Oh, he has some. Jaden, is it good? Jaden, is it good? Yeah, it's good. Oh. She wants her own. She's independent, you guys. She likes to do
man.
things on her own.
Yes, buddy.
Jaden too, but he's too short. You too short? Are you too short? You're on the chair. You're short too.
I'm big.
You're bigger, I know.
You're holding it, buddy.
Hey, do you want to eat or do you not want to eat, boy? Look at him. He's throwing a little baby tantrum. Look at him. That's my baby.
She's a Leah holding a fork, so he wants to hold it.
I know. Look at him. He's throwing tantrum. Let me see if you can see him right here. Are you throwing a tantrum because you can't hold your own fork? Buddy? Huh? Are you throwing a tantrum right now? Look at me. Look at me. Are you throwing a tantrum right now? Yeah, you are? You're admitting to it? Oh, look at the eyebrows. Look at the eyebrows. Look at the eyebrows. He's upset, babe. Oh, daddy's upset. Do you want to eat? Yeah? You're not going to hold the fork. Daddy's going to feed you, okay?
No, I do it.
No! Babe, you can just let him hold the fork.
Oh, God.
It's
He's
hot.
not holding a fork.
It's hot.